Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that today the new CPI data just came out, which is actually better than predicted. However, and let's talk about that part. Then we have here the SEC appealing in the XRP case. This is new, which came out on the 9th of August. And then we have Base Network has officially launched also yesterday on the 9th of August. And let's talk about it, what kind of things you can do on Base Network. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm making a couple of fresh videos for you to keep you up to date. So there are short videos where you can find the freshest and most important news in 60 seconds. And then you have these longer videos. So the short ones go between Monday and Sunday, so every single day. But these longer videos between Monday and Friday. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in crypto, blockchain, economy related news, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and then you will stay up to date. If you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then simply hit the like button. And now let's start today's episode. Okay. And for start, as usual, let's have a look at the market, where we do not see a huge move either direction. $29,509 Bitcoin. And now, when I'm recording this video, we are actually 40 minutes after the CPI. Sorry, there's so many abbreviations. So around 40 minutes after the CPI news came out, and we thought there will be bigger volatility. So far, we haven't seen anything. So yeah, Bitcoin 1.6% down, Ethereum 0.7% down. The biggest gainer is XDC Network, 7.5% off, Torchain 3%, Shiba 3%. And losers, Optos 5% down, Optimism 5% down, Heather of about 4-5% down. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, well, we're pretty much there where we were yesterday. So basically we broke out of this trend line, this bull flag kinda, but we were stopped at this level at the end of 29,000. So it would be very important to close above it, and that could start a bullish scenario. But so far, actually, this trend line became our support right now. After the CPI news, no major moves so far, and we still were rejected. So this is where we are right now. Another important thing, I think, when we looking at Nasdaq, because you know, we're talking it here always about crypto, but Bitcoin and Nasdaq is in many cases, really moving together. And we can see that actually Nasdaq is not very far from its all-time high. Because look at this. So far, we need another 11% for the all-time high. And actually where we were previously, back in mid-July, we were just 5.5% from Nasdaq's all-time high. And, you know, if we do an all-time high here in this year, that actually can also move crypto as well. So that's an important thing. Just keep an eye on that as well. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about the new CPI data, which actually just came out. So as I said, the new CPI data just came out about 42 minutes ago. And as we can see, now the actual one is 3.2%. Let's look a little bit of history here, because that's right now important. Because the forecast was, it said 3.3%. And then now this is better than the forecast. But one thing we should have a look is this. Since July, 2022, so last year, actually, as you can see, it's all going down month by month. And actually, in June, we have reached 3%. So compared to the previous month, because this is July data, the freshest, actually we went up. So this kind of decline, the first time after a year, has actually just stopped and moved up anywhere. Anyway, this was the forecast. Okay, that's fine. But it's better than the forecast, but it's still not continuing to go down. So this is now the question what the Fed will do. When we're looking at here the FOMC meeting prediction, which will be in September, this can change, day by day, day to day, month to month, whatever. But because we are right now just in August, it shows that the majority, more than 90%, believes that there will be a 25 basis point increase. Okay, so maybe this could be even the last one. And then we have here Jim O'Neill, top economist, saying that interest rates should stay around 5% for longer. This is what he's saying. So the US Federal Reserve is broadly expected to raise interest rate by another 25 basis point at its next policy meeting in September. So this is what I just mentioned. But market pricing suggests the central bank will begin cutting in 2024, so actually next year, according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool. We should be keeping rates around 5% area in the most of the developed world because they should have some sort of positive relation to the level of inflation if you want it to be permanently stable, because we should bring the inflation down. So even that they stop increasing the rates, then and they pause, but there probably won't be a huge cut very fast, because then they, that's what they actually saying, then they will stop this direction. As of now, we can see that the June data was 3%, and now in July 3.2%. So we are not done yet, according to them. And the goal is 2%. So this was here the latest. Okay, next one, SEC won't stop and actually appeals in the lawsuit against Ripple Labs. So let's talk about that as well. So it looks like that the story between the SEC and the XRP just going to continue because we can see here that the SEC is moving to appeal a July court decision from its lawsuit against Ripple Labs, which had ruled the sale of XRP is not a security when sold to retail investors. So here we have the official letter. Dear Judge Torres, he was the one who announced that decision that XRP is not a security when it's sold to retail. And this was yesterday, as you can see here the date. So the SEC has also highlighted that the judge's decision in its suit against Terraform Labs, who rejected Torres' ruling, saying cryptocurrency sold on exchange could also be securities. So, this is now the way they try to actually still go after this, the XRP. We'll see what's going to happen. So Torres ruled that the XRP token was not in itself a security. She said, however, that sales of XRP tokens can be securities in certain circumstances, such as when sold to institutional investors, but not when sold on exchange to retail traders. So we see how this continue. But again, this is a year headache, kinda, because we can see that the plan is now to schedule jury trial starting in the second quarter of next year, 2024. So another year headache with this. The story just simply kind of continues, and we have to wait for the next result. Okay, so this is another thing. And then we have here Base Network, which has officially started, and let's talk about a little bit what you can do there actually. So here we go. Base Network has officially launch. So Coinbase's base network completed its phased launch on the 9th of August, so yesterday, and it's officially open to end users. And well, here we go. A few things what you can do on Base right now. So bridge tokens. User can bridge Ether from mainnet to Base using the official Base bridge, which launched on the user interface on the 3rd of August. On the 9th of August, cross-chain bridging protocol Wormhole announced it is available on Base. Then you can swap tokens, provide liquidity. So at least 2 decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges have announced they are running on Base. And the 3rd May relaunch soon. So Uniswap, one of the first decentralized exchanges on Ethereum, declared its base version was running on the 7th of August. And there we have Maverick Protocol announced its base version on the 8th of August. Then you can actually make payments. So at least one payment app for Base is available. Beam is a web-based app that allows users to make payment using either US dollar coin, USDC, or app's native coin Echo. And here are some other things, you know, register username, launch decentralized autonomous organizations, so DAO, and some other things as well. So now it's live, and we're going to see how it will develop, what kind of traffic it will have, what kind of projects going to build on that, and so on and so forth. But at least it has started. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos. So if you do not want to miss a single thing, very important, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and then I keep you up to date. I'm making these short videos between Monday and Sunday, a couple of short videos every day. And then you have these longer videos between Monday and Friday. So I wish you a great day. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.